Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Meta Quest 3. Let's get right into it. I'm super excited because this is my first virtual reality headset. So we're going to open this up. Here I have the 512 GB version with Batman Arkham Asylum included. We're going to open this right up. This is exciting. All right. Gotta undo the strap on both sides. And we're going to slide this out. Here we go. Let's open this up. Wow, would you look at that? We got the two controllers and the headset right in here. So here's one controller. I'm assuming it's for the right hand because it fits right in the right hand. And we got two controllers right here. That's a vibe. Colorway is nice. I like the white and black vibe. Next we have the headset. Very nice. So I've been reading a bunch about the headset and the strap. We're gonna test this strap out and we're gonna see how it fares off, and if there's any straps that we need to look at, we're going to evaluate those options as well in the future. So here is the main piece right here. We have our head strap. We have the sensors in the front, and here are the lenses. So on the Meta Quest 3, they have the pancake lenses versus the Fresnel lenses on the Meta Quest 2 and 3S. So apparently that is a highlight. It is a lot more comfortable and the quality of the screen inside is much better and much more clearer in resolution as well. With this model also, if you wear glasses, you can adjust the distance from the goggles to the face in order to get your glasses inside. I do wear glasses, so I'm gonna try that out, but I'm also going to order the Zenni prescription lenses so I could throw them in there and I can use them without glasses, as I'm excited to do so. What else is in the box? So if we open up the box here, it's kind of telling you already how you're gonna put it on, and you can scan this QR code to start. I'm assuming it's gonna be a quick start guide to pair up and set up your Meta 3. So all that comes in the box so far is the two controllers, the headset, and this box, which comes included with a charger and a cable. So we got a cool circular charger here, and we got the matching USB-C cable to go along with that. We also got a manual and safety and warranty guide there included. Shout out to Meta on the packaging because this package is neat, minimal and crispy, just the way I like it. So there we have it, folks. We have the headset, two controllers, and a charger and a cable inside. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see this headset in action, because I will be using it and sharing my thoughts as well as any tips I learn that can help you out. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.